Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 20 of our Advent box unboxing from Snazzi Scrappin. I think it's a die. Let's see. Oops, Eureka, it is. It is most certainly a die. Oh, and we're Easter themed. We have Easter eggs in a row. That'll be really pretty going down the side of a card or the bottom of a card, a scrapbook layout. And it doesn't have to be Easter, it can be just spring themed. Very, very nice. Alright, join me tomorrow for day 21. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.